Kanu aitapatan Aisubisa kwa pininu ko kinga. Itunga luko teso kesi Kenya Kenya rokuni pone sholu twasamait isimunu kech a computer na kaicheda kanu apedor aruchokin keda isokoni niche kenyuna tupitone president Jessica Alupo kitegiari aisishana kinona ya computer ko district akalo katakwi.
The district of Aitosom to take advantage of this program, which is a government program, so that the youth who will be the first cohort of beneficiaries will have a multiplier effect in the region, because giving a skill is like giving a hook. We as government have always emphasized that there are 3 sectors where the people of Uganda, including the youth, can get employed. And one of them is commercial agriculture, the other one is industry, services and ICT. For instance, you can get employment through ICT by surfing the net to get market for your products. When you get market for your products, it means that you're going to get money. And when you get it in a sustainable way, it becomes your job. And ICT makes it very easy for you.
Kampani loko Hawaii padichasi keda iriongetele pamarane kesi ayaitos aina petano aitutur kana Zuma Muchala Fauzia Nesi Arabani na Hawaii Company.
We are launching the Huawei Digital Project in Katakwi district, and not only Katakwi but in the Teso region. Then the second is we are launching the 2023-2024 ICT competitions in Uganda, and we will also be awarding the students from last year that won and actually even took the second position in the global Huawei ICT competitions. That was 2022 to 2023. And our promise was to have this project in Uganda for 3 years and to make sure that it reaches and touches the most rural areas of Uganda, the areas that are actually not heard of or touched. Then why are we here? We believe that we are now in Teso region. Teso has 8 districts that we know of at least, and we believe that we will touch majority of them. The ICT competition is one of our CSR projects as Huawei Technologies Uganda that we do as a company in Uganda.
And so I'm happy that finally the program has taken off. Dear colleagues, especially the young people, the world has changed. We need to move with the current changes. We need to move with the current changes, and the current changes are moved by ICT. And therefore, if you are not in line with ICT, then you are not part of these changes.
Kanuka TV is Solomon Ramu Koibuga Soroti.